It is time to look at the V-Link. This is the Vic-20 version of a great thing made by Richmond Hill Telecommunications, otherwise known as RTC. And what it did, and I wish I had one of the magazines with me right here, right handy right now, but I don't. It did all kinds of things. So many things, I don't even remember what it did. But the main thing was, it allowed, I don't know if you can look at that very closely, it went into the cartridge port and it allowed you to use IEEE disk drives on the Vic-20, as well as printers and other devices. But it did other things too. And, as I say, I don't remember what they all were. But let's just turn on this Vic-20 for a second. Make sure we're all happy. Okay, so the Vic-20 is up and working, and you see it has basic 2, 3583 by 3. Now, I have not tried this. I found this in the garage. I don't know when it was last used, if ever. The connections look pretty fresh. Okay, so now I've got to get down. Whoa. Alright. It's not really wanting to go in. Okay. It's in. Alright, hang on. I have a couple other things to do before we turn this on. Alright, we're back. I'm just preparing to hopefully be able to celebrate that this works. So it is in, it is the right side up. We're going to turn it on. Oh dear. Oh dear. I don't see anything on the screen. Alright. Sometimes cartridges need a little wiggle. Oh dear. Let's try. I'll try and get it as deep as I can and work it around a bit. Well, this is not particularly particularly rewarding as it is. You see, it does say this side up. Alright, I'm going to try and put it in again. It does seem to have I'm not going to put it as deep. Turn it on. Well, that is unfortunate. I will try again. that mean that the V-Link is defective? Or should I try it on another Vic-20? And let's just take this all the way out to make sure we haven't killed the Vic-20. Okay, we have not killed it. It only fits in the way it's supposed to fit in, I imagine. I heard something different that time. I heard a funny little noise. But I see nothing. Oh dear. I was so looking forward to be able to use this. Well, yeah. Well, this is a quick demonstration. I suppose what I should do is pull this out. Well, if you look at it, the fingers do look very clean. But who knows, maybe I'll take an eraser, see if anything is, there could be microscopic dirt upon it. Well, let's just see. I'm going to take this cartridge, I'm going to put it in, and make sure that this machine likes cartridges. Oh. Well, that's different. Let's try that again. Alrighty. Give this a little massage. Alright. You may have seen this before, but I'm not going to play it. No, I am not. Alright, well, this is interesting and mysterious. So I hope you enjoyed the exciting demonstration of the V-Link. Thank you for coming. Bye for now. So, I have here one pencil with an eraser. So, I'm going to go over these connectors, or this edge connector, and see it's a, you know, in looking at it, it's not super shiny. And you know, this may not have been plugged in and used for, you know, 30 or more years. So what I'm doing, and I'm getting some dirt here, I went back and forth across quite a bit. And now I'm going from back to front to just get off anything else that I can find here. This side up. funny. Oh. You would think. Our cord is stiff. You would think, like, so this side up thing is just put on with a little piece of paper, as is the serial number. You'd think they would put something a little more robust on there. Alright. It doesn't matter how many times I look back and forth between the screens. They're still black. Oh dear. Alright, I'm going to just lift one corner. That sometimes works. Sometimes not. Alright, I'm going to try and get it universally out. Alright, it's not happening. So, I'm going to do something else, and I'm going to think about this. Thanks for coming. Bye for now, again. Hello, Penny. Come here. Come here, Penny. There's Penny. Oh, yeah. How are you doing? How are you doing, Penny? Hmm? You okay? You okay? Hmm? I know, Penny. There's Penny. Yes, indeed. There's Penny. Oh, you're gonna twist and turn? What's up, Penny? What's up, Penny? Okay, Penny? You go on the chair? You wanna come up here? Penny? You wanna come up here? Oh, there's Penny. Hello, Penny. How are you doing? Let me just move this out the way there. There's Penny. Oh. Okay. Oh. Wanna come back up here? Wanna come back up here? There's Penny. How are you doing? Hello. Penny. Penny, 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 Penny. Yes. Okay, Penny. Look up at the people. Look up at the people. Hello, this actually happened just before I wanted to record. Penny appeared. And then she didn't want to leave. She did not. Anyway, I'm going to start to record in a moment to tell you about my latest finding. But of course, you're seeing this at the end. Right, Penny? Right, Penny? You're seeing this at the end. So you've already seen what that is that I'm going to say and what I'm going to show you. Except for Penny. And who Penny? And remember, Penny doesn't come very often here. It's funny, lately Sheldon's been the sort of scaredy cat. Right, Penny? Right. Okay, Penny. Say goodbye to the people. Say goodbye to the people. There you go. Okay. Bye-bye.